Hi everyone. Welcome back to HS Academy. In this lesson we are going to learn a new structure which is, can't help. So without further ado, let's start today's lesson. Let's move on to the meaning of can't help, which is not to able to control, or stop something. Yes, you can say can't help instead of uncontrollable or unstoppable something. For example, I can't help drinking water. In this example, I cannot control or stop myself drinking water, because it is very essential for our body. Without water, life is incomplete. Now let's move on to the structure. Subject, plus, can't help, plus, present participle form of verb, plus, object. For example, I can't help drinking water. Let's look at some examples. I can't help eating meal, because without meal body won't have energy to do any work. You can't help breathing, because breathing is simply the engine of life. We can't help getting education in this era. As we know, without education life is worthless, baseless and meaningless, so getting education makes us powerful. And we can use this powerful weapon to change this world. Let's look at some more examples. She can't help talking to him, because he is her beloved husband. She can't help driving. This can be due to many reasons, like long distance, or maybe that is the part of her job. They can't help using WhatsApp, as WhatsApp is such an easy and quick app to work. Therefore it is widely used all over the world. People can't help talking about current issues. Talking about current issues makes us remain updated and social. So it is a healthy activity to do with each other. Now it's time to do the exercise together. And feel free to comment down the correct answer below. Number 1, Emma can't help, blank, TV. Option A, watch. Option B, watched. Option C, watching. What do you think? The correct answer would be. Feel free to comment down the correct answer, so that we and community could guide each other. Number 2, John can't help, blank, computer game. Option A, playing. Option B, plays. Option C, played. What do you think? The correct answer would be. Feel free to comment down the correct answer. Number 3, baby can't help, blank. Option A, cries. Option B, crying. Option C, cried. What do you think? The correct answer would be. Feel free to comment down the correct answer. Number 4, she has a craze to cook so she can't help, blank. Option A, cooks. Option B, cooked. Option C, cooking. What do you think? The correct answer would be. Feel free to comment down the correct answer. Number 5, girls love makeup so much so they can't help, blank, makeup. Option A, wear. Option B, wearing. Option C, wore. What do you think? The correct answer would be. Feel free to comment down the correct answer. Let's look at the answer keys. Emma can't help watching TV. Option C is the correct answer. John can't help playing computer game. Option A is the correct answer. Baby can't help crying. Option B is the correct answer. She has a craze to cook, so she can't help cooking. Option C is the correct answer. Girls love makeup so much so they can't help wearing makeup. Option B is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And press the bell icon and never miss any update.